Apple Vision Pro headset is making rounds all over the internet.
And I think this is
in the Meta Quest Pro.
so. How does it?
Apple released a new product in almost a decade, and the features it has are mind-blowing. Apple Vision Pro, released recently at Worldwide Developers Conference, is a ridiculously expensive virtual reality and augmented reality headset with a price tag of $3,500. The very first feature which makes it so unique from other headsets is that you are not isolated from other people. When someone else is in the room, you can see them and they can see you, which was not available directly in other headsets till now. Navigation is very easy, with gentle gestures and voice and even the slightest eye movement instead of controllers. You are not limited by a screen, so your photos can be life-size or any size you want. That way, your living room becomes a gallery. But the best part is panoramas wrap all around you as if you are there, which I personally find incredible. Apple Vision Pro also comes with Apple's first ever 3D camera. It captures photos and videos with extreme depth, so if you want to relive a memory, it will look as if you are right back in the exact moment. And to have a cinematic experience, you can just chill in your home and watch a movie with special sounds all around you and make your screen feel 100 feet wider. Plus, playing games feels a lot more with a massive screen. Work from home just got a lot more easier. With Apple Vision Pro headset, you can create the workspace of your choice, no matter where you are. The text is crystal clear, not fading away, and browsing the internet feels so much more than on our phones or screens. FaceTime just got a lot more interesting in Apple Vision Pro. You can see people life-size, and with special audio you can hear them as if they're right in front of you. So it becomes easy to navigate, and you can even connect to your Mac by simply looking at it, turning a 13-inch screen into a wide giant display. It can also transform your place and expand a beautiful view beyond the dimensions of a room. The headband is 3D knitted to provide soft, cushioning, breathable experience, and a high-performance battery reduces weight to a minimum and slips easily into a pocket. As Apple Vision Pro provides incredible resolution, it has a micro OLED display system which shows more than a 4K TV for each eye, which is insane the amount of technology they had used. But remember, this headset is in its early stages and has its own limitations, but they had opened the path for developers into a new era. So I hope you got an idea about what Apple Vision Pro headset is all about. Let me know in the comments what you think of this. See you in another video.